Welcome to the Gallem Kitchen, and me, I gonna show you how to make seasoned rice. This one here, my mother showed me how to make. So this one go to Lala. So yeah, so in my previous video, you see somebody make some ackee and saltfish. So right now, you're gonna put the ackee and saltfish in the pot, and then we'll get 2 scoops of rice in the bowl, and we're gonna wash it, get out some of the starch out of it. Yeah, wash it good enough. Make sure you wash it good enough. By the time you get the rice, it shouldn't look so cloudy. So then we're gonna put the rice in the pot. Make sure you have a little bit of water in the bowl, because that's how you're gonna grip the rice out of the bowl. And then you're gonna put it in there. Then you're gonna get some coconut milk. I'm gonna open it just like the old way. I don't have no time for no opener. So then I'm gonna put a couple pieces of butter in there because I want it nice, soft and fluffy. Put a piece of scotch bonnet in him, and then I'm gonna put some foil paper over it because I want a little shelly and fluff. So then I'm gonna put the lid on, and 30 minutes after it gonna fluff like this. So I'm gonna fluff up the rice for my little presentation. And see it now, only can't tell me nothing. My mother showed me how to make this. She are the top #1 chef in this. Let me tell you. Lolo, let me tell you, Gallem Kitchen.